Hi, my name is Alex from Easy Floor Store, and today I will be talking about LVT floors and the differences between two types of those, glue down LVT versus click LVT. So let's look at the pros for glue down LVT. It's more robust installation, it's more secure installation, I would say. It feels solid under your feet. You don't feel this little void when it comes to click. It's a type of floor that you can fit right tight to the edge of the floor. Let's say if you have skirting board installed, you can fit it right tight to the skirting board without any gap that you then would require to hide one way or another. Pros for click LVTs, it's faster to install. It could be a DIY project easily. It could be a little bit more forgiving for the quality of the subfloor preparation. And now let's look at the cons for those two types. With the glue down LVT, it requires more preparation and preparation with knowledge, which leads to what I would strongly recommend to use a professional for that type of installation. It's, in my personal opinion, it's not a DIY type of floor. One of the key disadvantages of click LVT, because it's a floating floor, you're not supposed to fit any fixed furniture on the top of installed floor. For example, if you are planning to lay the floor and put kitchen on top of it, with a click LVT you're not supposed to place it directly. You're supposed to cut holes within the floor so the kitchen legs or fixing points would be touching directly the substrate, not the LVT. And advantage for the glue down LVT, you can glue it down throughout the entire floor and fit any fixed furniture to follow, whether it's a kitchen or fitted wardrobe, directly on top of the floor. So hopefully it will explain the key differences between the two types of LVTs, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you very much.